Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Tanis, I'm audible.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have checked the when I study, I sent the code and you try or not?
Yes, sir, I tried, but Keras is not getting installed.
Sorry.
The library.
Yeah, library. So you can install library.
Yes, sir. I tried installing, some error is coming.
So what error come?
Something like HP5 is not getting installed.
Can you again run? And I see the how what is coming. You can share all your screen.
Okay.
I make you host.
Sir, is the screen visible?
Yeah, visible. But you Your screen is like static, not
Yes, sir.
yeah.
It's installing.
It's a static, not sharing.
This is the error I'm getting.
Just you have Anaconda font.
I know I don't have Anaconda. I should install.
Conda. You have
Ah,
downloaded Anaconda.
okay, so I'll try today downloading Anaconda.
No, it's a heavy software. So you can download Anaconda.
Okay, sir.
So you can download Anaconda, then try to execute. And which ideally you use Jupyter Notebook.
A Jupyter Notebook.
Yeah, so you can use different types of ID like Spider and also Jupyter Notebook, but you can install Anaconda.
Okay, sir. I'll try doing it today.
Okay. So Anaconda software like you can join, download here and go Anaconda download and individual edition Anaconda and Anaconda popular platform Anaconda installing. So you can install here and your data science toolkit. It's a data science toolkit and download the Anaconda. Also have a open source Conda package managed environment and you have some ideas like Jupyter Notebook, SciPy, Spider, NumPy, TOS, Broken, Sklearn, Pandas, NumPy, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Conda, Matplotlib. So you have built a machine learning model by using Anaconda. So you have the open source community at your fingerprints. So if we so Anaconda movement, visualize data visualization, scalable machine learning, and getting started with Anaconda. So after Anaconda, you search here like the Anaconda. So you have Anaconda from. So when you click, you get the Anaconda prompt, and here you can like install any Python libraries. You can click install NumPy. So easily you can install the NumPy library in Anaconda from. So today we make a neural network, say an artificial neural network in a regression technique. So we have some data set and we uh, download data from UCI repository and UCI machine learning repository, and you have some data sets. So you have a something have a data like classification, regression, clustering, others. So we have a housing data. You can take like housing data. We have to predict the house price by using a regression model. And you can train the particular an artificial neural network in particular data set. So you can follow the particular link. HTTP, UCI, ML, machine learning dataset, housing price. So we have a data like housing data dot open. So we have like this is your data set. We have some column name, and now we use a Google Colab. Like I have already inserted the data. So you have like pandas library and each names matlab, your each names is a one variable and that is your column name like uh, CRIM, Jane, Base, Chair, Knobs, RM, Ds, Ds, Thread. So you have a this particular libraries I again, and you have a like if you take a URL, you have to fetch data from URL. So URL HTTP HUIS machine learning dataset housing and housing dot dataset. So you can also give the particular link to data equal to pd.read csv URL, and you can pass the particular parameter like daily white space equal to and name is equal to PMS, your data set name. So here it's come like cream chain in this case or so I again the run the particular code and I print if I print the data, and we can also put the data head and data dot info. So you have like a describe data info 220 rows 20 by up 14 columns class pandas dot core frame dot data frame range increase here 0 to data column total. You can see here after that data dot describe. So you have like describe a transpose and you can fill the summary variable. So like count values, frame, mean, median, standard deviation, 50%, 50%. You have already done this So how it comes in a machine learning. So after that you train the data. I have also code don't again and to scale data from 0 to 1 apply pre-processing means. So if you have to perform the pre-processing, you have a Haskell and library processing import min max scalar. So now I copy the code and type 0. Okay. So min max scalar copy equal to feature in 0 to 1 means your all data converted into 0 to 1 length by using min max scalar. Min max scalar equal to min max print scalar dot fill your data your data frame data scale columns. Okay. No, so your data is converted like 50%, 60%. Then then you can float the by using box float. So you have to data like import matplotlib.py float as scale dot box float column and you can see creams means what is the you can see here so what is the creams means creams per capital crime rate by town JN propagation of residential land zone to lots of over induced propagation of non-retail business area. What is the age of particular house? So you have some independent or independent variable. Okay. So you have data road. If you have to find the correlation of particular roads and columns, so you can also find. Okay. So you have to find the particular correlation between zero to one. So what is the like terminal? You can understand shape, trail shape, test shape, and trail shape or white test. After that, Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello.